and ask about our research study. That's 503-228-CARE.
From the KGW HD studios, News Channel 8 at 6:30 starts now.
Deadly quakes, killer tsunamis, and a typhoon. It's one natural disaster after another, and all in less than a day. Tonight, it's the great rush to save lives in the strike zones. Hello, I'm Tracy Berry.
And I'm Laurel Porter. Here is the latest. Military crews are flying medical personnel, food, water, and supplies to Samoa and American Samoa. A tsunami hit the islands again today, pushed up by an undersea quake. At least 119 are dead. Some 5,000 miles away, rescue efforts are underway following a powerful quake in western Indonesia. It toppled buildings, trapping a countless number of people. We're hearing the death toll now stands at least 200. And a typhoon is taking its toll across Southeast Asia. Portland-based Medical Teams International is preparing to send medical teams and supplies there, and Mercy Corps is working to help in the Samoan Islands. News Channel 8's Chris Clackham begins our top story coverage.
Images from the tsunami